Hey, what's going on guys? TWreckx here and welcome to yet another unboxing of another Hero 9 Black package. Now this one is different from the other. Yes, you're going to tell me, oh no, it's all the same. No, this one came from Costco. It is cheaper than the one I got at Best Buy. And it comes with more. So, you actually get the camera, 2 batteries, you get a tripod, an SD card, and all that, and that was about $50 less. So, got our trusty, rusty unboxing knife. Just gonna take this, cut. May need to make another. Oh, okay. I guess there's just tape holding the bag shut. Let's see. I want to be careful. I know, yes, it's probably in like a holding case like the other one, but come on. There we go. And if we take that, boxing stuff to the side, get that out of the way. Now I wonder, how is this all packed in here compared to the other one? Okay, so first things first, what is missing from the last one? A micro SD card, 64 gigabytes, which is nice. Got the GoPro itself, which no different from the last one. We've got 2 batteries here, which 2 batteries, twice as nice. Charging cord. Got that like screwed in. No, okay. Got our little holder things, our thing we stick it on with, and then behind all that we've got a holder stick tripod thing. So this could probably even, oh, can this go up, I wonder? Because it comes apart like this. Got yourself a tripod, or if you want just something to hold it. Got this thing in the middle here. I wonder, so that's correct, you can raise it a bit. Not as much as you probably want, but a bit. So, if you want to use your GoPro to take some pretty pictures or something, there you go. And yeah, this, I'd have to say, is a better deal. And big shout out to my buddy at Pogauto for picking this up for me while I was at work. Man, you are a lifesaver. Hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to check out the description down below, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell to subscribe. And this is TWreckx signing off. Peace!